Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I'm here with my sons McGregor and Quinn, and we're doing an activity called multiplication dots. This is a great activity for helping kids develop an understanding of multiplication using a set model. So how you play this activity is you need a regular die, and you need some scratch paper, and you need a little way to keep track of what you roll. So I have a little grid here, a little table here that says roll number 1 is the number of circles that you draw. Roll number 2 is the number of dots that you draw in each circle. Then there's a place to practice writing the multiplication equation, and then the answer, the product, is your score. So we're going to each roll 5 times, and then we're going to add up our scores, and whoever has the highest number is the winner. So McGregor, why don't you start?
Okay,
so the first roll is, roll it.
5.
Okay, so you're going to draw 5 circles. Okay, now you're going to roll again.
5.
5. So you're going to put 5 dots in each circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I did
good. All right. All right, and now up here you're going to write in the table, how many circles did you draw?
5 times 5 and 5, and 5 times 5 is 25.
5 times 5, and you can say it 5 groups of 5, can't you? Equals 25. So your score for this round is
25.
25. Quinn, your turn.
Okay.
Roll it once. What is it?
3.
Okay, so you're going to draw 3 circles. Go for it. Awesome. All right, now you're going to roll again. What does it have?
3.
3! Oh my gosh, doubles. Okay, so you're going to put
3 in the circle.
in each circle. Okay. Can you count out loud?
Do I put 3 in each circle?
Yeah, 3 in each circle.
3.
3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots in this circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, up here it says, how many circles did you draw?
3.
Okay, so you put a 3 there.
6.
Well, 3 circles. And how many dots did you draw in each circle? 3. So 3 groups of 3, and this is where you practice writing the equation. 3 times 3. 3 times 3, and you can say it, 3 groups of 3. Now, do you know what 3 times 3 is? You're only in 2nd grade, so maybe you haven't learned this yet.
I know it. 3, 6, 9.
Okay, so we could count them if we needed to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 groups of 3 is 9. So your score this time is 9. All right, so we will continue playing, and then we'll have 4 more rounds to go, and then we'll add up the scores and see who has the most. I hope you'll give this game a chance to learn the set model for multiplication, and I hope you're having a fun time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.